Hey, welcome. Before we begin, just take one slow deep breath in and slowly let it out. Good. Now another one. Breathe in and breathe out. That's it. For the next few minutes, you don't need to worry about anything. No work, no stress, no overthinking. Just this moment, just you. Now gently close your eyes. Relax your shoulders. Relax your face. Let your hands rest comfortably. And simply listen to my voice. Take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Feel your body starting to relax. A little more with every breath. If your mind is busy right now, that's okay. You don't need to stop your thoughts. Just let them come and go. Like cars passing on a road. No need to chase them. No need to fight them. Just let them pass. Now bring your attention to your breathing. Slowly breathing in and breathing out. Nothing complicated. Just breathing. Just being here. Imagine all the stress in your body slowly melting away. The pressure, the tiredness, the worry. Let it all slowly leave your body when you breathe out. And when you breathe in, imagine calmness coming in, peace coming in, comfort coming in. Now imagine yourself in a peaceful place. Maybe near the ocean, maybe in nature, maybe sitting somewhere quiet during rain. Anywhere that makes you feel calm. Take a moment to picture it. Notice the sounds, the air, the peaceful feeling around you. You are safe here, completely safe. Take another deep breath in and slowly let it go. Good. Your body is relaxing more and more. Your mind is becoming quieter. And for the first time today, maybe you are finally slowing down. And that's a beautiful thing. Now silently repeat these words in your mind. I am okay. I am safe. I can let go. I don't need to carry everything right now. I deserve peace. I deserve rest. Just breathe slowly for a moment. Nothing to do. Nothing to fix. Just breathe. Now feel a soft warm light around you. A calm peaceful light. Almost like the feeling of sunlight in the morning. Warm, comforting, gentle. Let that feeling slowly fill your heart, your mind, your whole body. You have been trying your best. Even if nobody notices, even if life feels heavy sometimes, you are still here, still moving forward, and that matters. Take another slow breath in and breathe out slowly. Feel your chest relaxing, your heartbeat calming down, your thoughts slowing down. Everything is becoming softer, quieter, peaceful. Now for the next few moments, just stay here. Breathing slowly, feeling calm, feeling safe, feeling present. Now slowly bring your attention back. Notice your breathing again. Notice your body. Gently move your fingers. Move your toes. Take one deeper breath in and slowly breathe out. And before you open your eyes, remember this feeling, this calmness, this peace. You can come back to this feeling anytime you need. Just by slowing down, just by breathing. Now slowly open your eyes and carry this peaceful feeling with you for the rest of your day. Thank you for spending these moments with yourself. Take care.